Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the camera app and selecting photo, portrait, or video mode depending on your shot. Tap directly on the subject on screen to tell the phone where to focus and to set exposure. This overrides momentary adjustments. If you need the focus to stay fixed as you recompose, long press that point until you see AE/AF lock. Once locked, the iPhone keeps both focus and exposure steady while you adjust framing, which prevents refocusing mid-shot. After locking focus, fine-tune exposure by dragging the sun icon up or down. This brightens or darkens the image without changing focus. For portraits, use portrait mode and switch lighting effects to isolate the subject and enhance subject separation. In low light, night mode stabilizes exposure while the lens hunts less. If you want precise manual control, open a third-party app or Camera Pro that exposes a focus slider. Use it to set exact millimeter focus instead of relying on auto. Recompose your shot once focus and exposure are set, then tap the shutter or start recording. To return to automatic adjustments, tap anywhere to clear AE/AF lock. If images remain blurry, check and wipe the lens. Oils and dust are common culprits, and repeat the tap to focus step. When autofocus still misbehaves, quit the camera app or restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. If problems persist, test another app to determine if it's a software or hardware issue, and consider Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.